If you have a startup idea or want to pitch a project in your company, before you launch your startup or pitch your project, stop scrolling and let's quickly check if your idea can actually survive in the real world using one fundamental tool, which is pestle analysis. We all have heard about it, right? Now, P in pestle stands for political. Ask what government policies or regulations might impact your business. For example, if you are starting an electric bike or scooter startup, favorable EV subsidies and green initiatives can be your biggest boosters. Also, be mindful of the geopolitical things going on around the world and what is the scenario in our country. E stands for economical. Look at the economy. How's the market doing? Are people spending or saving at the moment? In a slow economy, a luxury skincare startup might struggle, but affordable, value-based brands can thrive. Now, next, S in pestle stands for social factors. Now, think social. What do people believe, value today? If your idea connects to trends like sustainability, mental wellness, or convenience, you are on the right path. Fourth, T for technological factors in pestle. Now, check tech. Is new technology disrupting your space or empowering it? For example, AI tools these days are transforming education startups, especially faster than ever today. L in pestle stands for legal factors. Don't ignore the legal side. The copyright, data protection, licenses, labor laws, these can make or break your operations. Be really alert and mindful of the legal factors. E, the last E in pestle stands for environmental factors. From climate friendly packaging to waste reduction, sustainability isn't just a buzzword these days, you see. It's an expectation. So be clear on that. So before you pitch or plan, run your idea through this pestle analysis because smart startups don't just think about profit. They really thrive on preparedness. So start making your pestle once you have created your vision and have understood your SWOT.